money while I sing so. Man a bad man a boss inna the thing so. Girl for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow one, say she give me filler one. Say let me the pillow one, say she give me film one. Aye. Man a one say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you dey mash up the place.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new over here, my name is Kayla, and for today's video we are going to be installing another lace wig. This one is from the wig that I'll be installing today is from MyFirstwig. Now they're basically known for like their beginner friendly wigs. They have some really great quality beginner friendly wigs. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Also, I don't know if you guys can notice, but I do have a new lens. You know, we're up in our filming game. Really let me know, what do you guys think of the quality of this video? Do you guys even see a difference in the lens that I'm using? Alright, so as usual, your wig comes in this really pretty pink bag. This is what it looks like. And then they also send you a few goodies. So you do get, this is a flyaway tamer. They also send you this little pouch with their name on the front there. I'm just going to open it and show you guys. So you do get 2 clips. These are some really heavy duty clips. And then you also get a rat tail comb. So on the inside you have a stocking cap with 2 pieces. And this piece of paper has all the details for your wig. So it has the color, basically everything you need to know about your unit. This is a red highlighted wig. The hair is super soft and it also has like a really sweet rosy smell to it. The hair smells amazing. That is what the inside of your unit is looking like. It does come with the knots bleach, and it also have this elastic band attached on the inside of your unit. So this is what the hairline on this unit is looking like. It looks really natural, you guys. So like I would not have to go in and pluck a lot of hair. First thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and figure out where I want my part and space to be. I usually prefer my hair on this side of my face. So I'm just going to make a part and we're just going to flat iron it down. I see like those short pieces of hair that's popping up. I'm just going to take their flyaway tamer and pass it over that hair and then go back into my hot comb. So now I'm just going to go ahead and lay down my unit using the Gatsby Blasting Freeze Spray. Look how this lace is looking without me even laying her down. Like, it's just like melt. Alright you guys, so this is pretty much how the hair turned out. Really sleek and nice. The wig is really soft and silky, super nice, definitely beginner friendly wig. Also, the work on this wig is very minimal. I only tweezed a bit from right here because I wanted it to completely look like it was coming like literally straight through from my skin. So I just plucked a little hair from right there, but besides that, that was really all I did. And then I only added some baby hairs on this side. I really wanted the whole no baby hair look, so I only added some baby hairs to the air top area of this unit. And yeah, that is about it you guys. I will have all the links listed down below on where you guys can purchase this exact same unit from MyFirstwig. All the details and specs will be listed down below as well. Definitely comment down and let me know how you guys feeling this hair. And as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, all of that. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.